Okay, I got the mica for the stove, and I was going to install it, but my wife thought it'd be cool to see how it actually works. So mica comes in these thin sheets, and it's a mineral, and it's fireproof, and it'll last quite a few years. And so this stove has a neat little door with windows in it that are covered with mica, so you can actually see the flame through the door. And when I got this stove, somebody had put tin on the inside of this, and it just really covered it up. And I really hate that. I want to be able to see the fire inside and see how well it's burning. So you order these from, I mean, there's lots of places to order, I guess, but the one I like is stovemica.com. I don't know if you can see the info there, but I've looked at them for years, and they have the best deals, and I think they have the best mica. So for what it's worth, it comes in an envelope. I ordered 4 sheets of it, and we're just going to try and replace 2 windows. So what I did is I held it down over the glass window, and there's these little nubs on the door, and the idea is that the mica fits in between. So I just made a little mark where to make my first cut, which I'm going to go ahead and do. So I'm going to make a mark where to cut this, and it doesn't have to be exact, but pretty close. So if I can pick it up. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and cut on that line. Cuts it with regular scissors. Okay. Now I'm going to make another mark on the inside of that nub. Okay. Hard to see the line. There. All right, so there's one window ready to go. Okay, I got all the windows cut out and installed. I don't know if you can see the glasses in there. There's a metal screen over the front that goes between this silver color cover and this metal screen, and then the glass goes underneath the metal screen. That's pretty much it. I'm going to put it all back together.